How to lock chats in Snapchat. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to lock chats in Snapchat. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to open up Snapchat and then just choose the chat that you want to lock. So for example, I will try to lock this chat right here with this person. So to lock the chat, what you want to do is just go back. And then after that, what you want to do is to just long hold the chat that you want to lock. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to chat and notification settings. Click on that. And then from here, what you want to do is just click on clear from chat feed. So just click on that and then this message will pop up. So it says right here, are you sure you want to clear this conversation? So this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So once you are sure that you want to clear the conversation, just click on clear and then there you go. So as you can see, the person that I have chat with is now gone in my chat section right here in Snapchat. But when I click on the search right here and then just search up for that person, as you can see, that person is still there. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to lock chats in Snapchat.